Hi, I'm Neil from XYZ Machine Tools. Today I'll show you how to reference the magazine on an LR range of machines. So on the top of the screen there's magazine counter switch error, magazine go to reference required. So first off, make sure you're in setup mode, close your front door, make sure you're in F2, press ref point, which is beside the jog button, and then if you press the mag jog button, which is on the number 4 button, and plus, and the carousel will reference will find pocket 1. Job done.